I was 23, had about $4,000 in my bank account, felt pretty good about myself, honestly, and then I found out my coworker, same age, same salary, already had $11,000 working for him in investments. Same job, same paycheck, different decisions. That conversation messed me up for a week, but it also made me figure out what I was missing. And what I found out? It was actually really simple stuff, embarrassingly simple. So if you've got money sitting somewhere doing nothing right now, stay here. Because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 moves that people our age are quietly using to get ahead. No complicated finance stuff, no Wall Street jargon, just real beginner-friendly things that actually work. Meet Nigoo. He's your average 23-year-old, a little clueless about money, a little too confident about it at the same time. Sound familiar? Good. Because he's about to figure things out. And so are you. Welcome to Nigoo Invests, where we break down money in a way that actually makes sense. If you're new here, hit subscribe. Nigoo really needs the support. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, step 1. And I say this with love, but if you still have your savings in a regular bank account, your bank is basically laughing at you right now. Here's what's happening. Most regular banks pay you around 0.01% interest. So if you've got $10,000 saved up, congrats. You're making about $1 a year. $1. That's not even a coffee. Now here's the fix, and it literally takes 10 minutes. It's called a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and SoFi are currently paying around 4.5% to 5% interest. Same $10,000? Now you're making $450 to $500 a year just for having your money in the right place. You're not doing anything differently. Your money is just finally working for you. It's FIC insured, so it's completely safe. Same government protection as any regular bank. No fees, no minimums at most places. You open it online, move your money over, done. Nigoo opened his last Tuesday. He checks his balance every hour now. He knows it's too soon to see a difference. He doesn't care. He feels like a new man. Seriously though, if you've got savings sitting in a basic account right now, this is the single fastest upgrade you can make tonight. Zero risk. Zero downside. Just do it. Step 2. This one is going to sting a little if you've been skipping it. If your employer offers a 401k match and you're not contributing enough to get it, you are turning down free money. Like your boss is literally trying to hand you cash and you're saying no thanks. Here's how it works. Say your company matches 3% of your salary. You make $50,000 a year, you put in $1,500, they throw in another $1,500. That's a 100% instant return. No stock, no investment, nothing in the world gives you a guaranteed 100% return on day one. And here's the bonus. It's pre-tax. So your taxable income goes down while your retirement savings go up. You win on both ends. A lot of people our age blow past this because retirement feels like it's 100 years away. But that's exactly the thinking that makes future you miserable. Future you is going to show up one day. The question is whether they're going to be grateful or frustrated. Go log into your HR portal tonight. See if there's a match. If there is, contribute enough to capture all of it. That's the baseline. No negotiating on this one. Step 3. This is honestly the biggest advantage of being young, and most people completely sleep on it. A Roth IRA is a retirement account where you invest money you've already paid taxes on. The magic part, it grows completely tax-free. When you pull it out at retirement, the government doesn't get a single cent of it. Nothing. Now here's why your 20s specifically are the best possible time to open one. Compound interest. If you invest $200 a month starting at 25, at a historical average return of around 7 to 10%, you could be sitting on over $500,000 by the time you're 65. Start at 35 instead? That number drops dramatically. time is literally your most valuable asset right now, and it's running out every single day you wait. You can contribute up to $7,000 a year. You can open one on Fidelity, Vanguard, or Charles Schwab, all free, all beginner-friendly. You can literally start with $1. Nigoo opened his Roth IRA and announced it at brunch. Nobody cared. But in 40 years, Nigoo's buying brunch for everyone. Just watch. Step 4. This is the move for people who do not want to think about investing. And honestly, that's most of us. That's totally fine. Index funds, specifically S&P 500 index funds, let you invest in 500 of America's biggest companies all at once. Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, all of them,
all 500
in one
companies.
simple purchase.
No big deal.
When the economy grows, your money grows with it. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned around 10% a year on average. Not guaranteed, but it's been the most reliable, long-term wealth builder for regular people for decades. And the whole point is you don't have to think about it. You don't pick stocks. You don't watch charts. You don't stress about the market. You buy it, you leave it alone, and you live your life. Look up VU or VD. Those are two of the most popular S&P 500 ETFs. You can buy them on Fidelity, Schwab, or Robinhood. Some platforms let you start with literally $1 through fractional shares. Stop trying to be clever. Be boring. Be consistent. Let the index fund do the work. Step 5. And this one is your protection against something most people our age don't even think about until it's already hurting them. Inflation. Inflation is basically the slow, quiet thief that makes your money worth less every year. That $100 in your account today, in 10 years, it might only buy what $75 buys right now. If your savings aren't growing at least as fast as inflation, you're actually losing ground, even when your balance looks the same. I-bonds are government savings bonds designed specifically to keep up with inflation. Their interest rate automatically adjusts with inflation, so they always stay ahead of it. And because they're backed by the US government, they literally cannot lose value. It's the closest thing to a guaranteed investment that exists. You can buy them at treasurydirect.gov, up to $10,000 a year. The catch, you have to hold them for at least 1 year, and there's a small penalty if you cash out before 5 years. So this is a medium-term thing, not a quick flip. Think of it as a slow, steady, boring win. Nigoo bought his I-bond. He feels responsible. He feels mature. He's still eating instant noodles 4 nights a week. But financially, the man is locked in. Okay, real quick recap. 5 moves. All of them beginner-friendly. None of them require you to be rich or smart, just willing to start. 1. Open a high-yield savings account tonight. 2. Grab your full employer 401k match. It's literally free money. 3. Open a Roth IRA and let time do the heavy lifting. 4. Buy an S&P 500 index fund and then go do literally anything else. 5. Get an I-bond and stop letting inflation quietly pick your pocket. None of this is complicated. None of it requires a finance degree. It just requires you to actually do it. Your 45-year-old self is watching this moment right now. They're either nodding or they're shaking their head. That's on you. If this helped, subscribe to Nigoo Invests, drop a comment below with which step you're starting with, and send this to one friend who needs to see it. Just one. Nigoo will catch you in the next one. He's about to go check his HYSA balance for the 23rd time today. No shame. Goodbye.